So this was a really cool project we got to do recently up in Miwuk Village, California. They contracted us to replace this entire deck on an old cabin up there, so we had to have it engineered and permitted and all that. This is just us doing some demo work. We did the demo at the end of December of 2022, right before our Christmas vacation. This deck was original to the cabin, I believe, so about 1960. Unfortunately, they used Phillips head screws, and they used like 4-inch deck screws on it, so this thing was just a pain to take apart. You can see me using our little $59 Craftsman plug-in saw. It works great for demo work. It's way faster than a Sawzall.